How to delete your Instagram account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first off, we're going to start by making sure we have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've made sure of that, I'm going to launch Instagram from my phone. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into the right account which you want to delete. Once you've logged in, at the very bottom right, tap on your profile picture in order to go to our profile page. As soon as you go to your profile page, you can see this is what it is going to look like. And from the very top right hand side, you can find those three horizontal lines icons. So right at the top right corner, simply tap on it. As you tap on those three lines at the bottom, you'll be given a new pop-up menu. Over here, we want to go ahead and simply select settings. Once you go to settings, again, you have a bunch of different options. Over here, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the option which says account right like this in this profile icon. So right above the help center and under the ads button, you can find the option called account. Tap on it. If you don't find the option, you can also go ahead and simply type in the search bar as well. Once you go to account, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options, and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen, and right over here at the very corner at the bottom left, you'll find this little text which says delete account. So what you have to do is simply tap on the delete account option, and it will prompt you up for a confirmation whether you want to deactivate or whether you want to really choose to delete your account. Now keep in mind that if you deactivate, you can reactivate within at least 1 month given period of time. But if you choose to delete and after a few days, it's going to permanently delete your account. If you're aware of that, we're going to go ahead and at the bottom of the screen, you can see this little faint text which says delete account. So tap on delete account and it will ask you for a confirmation again. Tap on the red button which says continue deleting my Instagram account. As soon as you do that, you'll be taken to the web version of Instagram where it will ask you why you are choosing to delete your account. Now you could go ahead and simply enter any of the reasons why you might want to delete your account. After that, you can see it says, please consider the following articles in our help center. Now you could go ahead and read all of those briefly if you wanted to. But then in order to delete your account, you have to actually re-enter your password. This is usually done for Instagram to verify that the person deleting the account is the real owner himself or not, in case you're not trying to delete someone else's account. So go ahead and enter your own password on this box. Once you do that, you can also read a little disclaimer at the bottom which says that if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted on the September 1st, 2022, which means 1 month further than today's date. If you go ahead and delete your account now, you have over 1 month period of time to actually regain all of the data and retrieve your account back again. But after that 1 month period of time, you will permanently lose access to your Instagram account. So if you're sure of that, go ahead and tap on the little button at the bottom left which says delete your account. As soon as you do that, your account will be scheduled for deletion. And this is how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. We hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.